Hello everyone. Is Wix.com a professional website builder? Well, it is a beginner-friendly website builder, and they even allow you to create one for free. However, you can create professional websites through Wix.com. Now, let's take a look at some of websites that are created using Wix.com. So as you can see here, we can see 15 outstanding Wix website examples that will inspire you to create one. Okay, so let's take a look at 5 of them. Okay, so let's hit it once. Okay, let's scroll it down. Okay, so this is interesting. Now let's take a look at number 2. So it's animal music. Let's hit it. And this one is interesting too. Okay, now let's go to the third one. Okay, now let's go to the fourth one, main. And to the fifth one. Okay, so I believe these websites are professional enough to convince people that you are really in a business. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.